so this, and then we have this to be 20, and then white. Uh-oh, I thought I was supposed to lock the four sides, so open, so we just have 20 for here, and then we, okay, no, okay, so 0. So all we need to do is 20 by the side, and then this is what we have. So the blank, already is the blank to this point. Okay, so we have the blank such that the blank demarcates between the two charts. So we're having blank such that we'll have a space. The blank separates the two charts, so they don't meet. All right, so that's what we have, and then we bring in our charts. The first chart we're bringing is okay. So the first chart we're bringing is products. Immediately it jumps in. We'll click and then float this, and then we hide. Okay, so we have this, and then we click on the label, rotate label. Okay, so if we rotate label, we have this. You just push it down a little bit. So I'm going to push this down a little bit. All right, so and then we format. So let's say this is 9. Okay, so let's leave it at 8. Let's leave it at 8, and then we push up our bars a little bit bigger. Okay, so let's see how it comes out. Okay, so we get other charts. This charts, this chart. Okay, so payment charts, and then we have the payment chart over here. All right, click. I'll make sure I float it before I take it out. Okay, here's what we have, and then I can do this. I'll float you. I'll float you. So I can take you out. I can bring you here. All right. So we have a blank. Where did our blank go? Okay. So okay. So we remember we have our blank. Okay. So I'll go back to the process again. So remember we have our blank, and then we can reduce the size. Okay. So let's take out the blank. Let's float the blank first of all. All right. And let's just make this float our blank. Let's have our blank here, and then let's float this. We can float this. Okay, fit entire view. Okay, so fits. Okay, entire view. Pushing this up. Okay. All right. So this is what we have, and then we get the blank. All right. So we edit the height for the blank. To edit the height for the blank, we'll right click and then we'll edit height. I'm going to use 15. I'm going to use 15. Okay. All right, so we have a space between this chart and this chart. So that's the whole idea of what we're doing. And then I will pick up this. I'll place it inside here. Okay, so this is what we have. All right, so let's see how it looks. All right, so this is what we have. Okay, so we have this coming out nicely. Okay, so we can move it a little bit. Oh, uh-oh. All right, so I'll click on it. So I have my dividing line inside my blank. So it's actually separated for me. Okay, so this is what we'll do for all the charts. And then, so let's get the second chart. Uh, okay, I'll put this here. All right, so I'll click, I'll float, I'll take it out. I will make sure I reduce this font. So, okay, format. This should be 8. All right. Okay, so this should be 8. And then let's get the second chart. What was here? Okay, so this chart, bring it up, put it here. All right. So our blank copy dashboard item. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but let's see. Okay, we have our blank, and then our blank can quickly fit in here for us. So let's see if it fits in for us. All right, it fits. Okay, blank fits. So we'll make sure we don't have paddings, and then it should be the same size, which is 1010. Our blank should be 10 and 10. Our blank should be 10 and 10. All right, so we can quickly, okay, so we can quickly float. So let's actually get rid of something. Okay, so we're looking for the container. There's the blank category. We're checking for containers. Okay, here we go. We have this guy. So take it out, remove container from dashboard. Okay, so we're not gonna do it like this. We'll float it. Good. We'll have our blank. So this is the blank we have. We're looking for that baby container. All right, so we'll get this and then we'll put it back in here. And we'll make sure this is fitted properly. We're actually looking at